Imagine this. Just a few years ago, people laughed at the idea of AI dominating industries. Today, AI is everywhere, from self-driving cars to chatbots handling customer service. But here's the real question. What if you could invest in AI before it becomes even bigger? Some people have already made millions by betting on the right AI stocks early. But don't worry, you haven't missed the boat yet. In this video, I'll reveal 5 AI stocks that have the potential to skyrocket in 2025. These aren't just any stocks, they are backed by cutting-edge AI innovations and major growth potential. And here's something interesting. The last stock on this list is one that very few investors are talking about, but it could be the biggest AI play of the decade. So make sure to watch till the end. Before we dive in, I have a quick question for you. If you had invested in AI stocks 5 years ago, how much profit do you think you would have made? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you want more AI stock insights, make sure to like this video right now. It helps more investors like you find these opportunities. 1. SoundHound AI, SOUN, the future of voice AI. SoundHound AI is changing the way we interact with technology using advanced voice recognition. Unlike traditional assistants like Siri or Alexa, SoundHound's AI can understand complex voice commands and is being integrated into cars, restaurants, and smart devices worldwide. Why is this stock a potential goldmine? Growing AI voice assistant market. Voice AI is expanding beyond smartphones. Cars, smart homes, and customer service platforms are adopting it rapidly. Massive partnerships. SoundHound is collaborating with top automakers and businesses, ensuring long-term adoption. AI-driven automation. Companies are looking for AI-powered voice solutions to improve customer experience and reduce costs. Now, here's a question for you. Do you think AI-powered voice assistants will replace human customer service completely? Drop your thoughts in the comments. 2. C3 AI, the AI powerhouse for businesses. C3 AI is at the forefront of enterprise AI solutions. It provides AI-driven automation, analytics, and predictive intelligence to massive industries like healthcare, energy, and finance. Here's why investors should take notice. AI adoption in businesses is booming. Companies are turning to AI to streamline operations and increase efficiency. Government contracts. C3 AI has secured deals with the U.S. Department of Defense and other major organizations. Expansion into cybersecurity. AI-powered cybersecurity is becoming a necessity, and C3 AI is expanding into this market. Imagine a world where AI can predict market crashes before they happen. Sounds like science fiction? Well, C3 AI is already working on predictive analytics that could change how businesses make decisions. Would you trust AI to make financial decisions for you? Let me know in the comments. 3. Symbotic, the rise of AI-powered warehouses. Symbotic is revolutionizing supply chain logistics using AI-powered robotics. In simple terms, Symbotic's technology allows warehouses to operate without human intervention, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Why is this stock a must-watch? Retail giants like Walmart are adopting Symbotic's AI. If one of the world's biggest retailers trusts this technology, that's a strong signal. AI-powered logistics will become the new standard. With the rise of e-commerce, the need for efficient warehouse automation is only growing. Stock price potential. As more companies integrate AI-driven logistics, Symbotic could see exponential growth. Now, here's a fun question. Do you think robots will completely replace human workers in warehouses in the next 10 years? Let me know your opinion below. 4. Upstart Holdings UPST, the AI revolution in banking. Upstart Holdings is bringing AI-powered decision-making to the finance industry. Instead of relying solely on traditional credit scores, Upstart's AI evaluates borrowers based on multiple factors, making lending smarter and more efficient. Why does this matter? Banks are adopting AI to reduce loan risks. Traditional credit checks are outdated, and Upstart's AI is proving to be more reliable. AI-driven lending is more accurate. Upstart's system has been shown to reduce loan defaults while still approving more borrowers. Massive future potential. If AI-powered lending becomes the new standard, Upstart could dominate this market. Would you trust AI to approve your loan? Drop your thoughts in the comments. 5. SOUN Thinking SSTI AI-powered security and law enforcement. SOUN Thinking is a hidden gem in AI stocks. Its ShotSpotter technology helps law enforcement detect gunfire in real time, allowing for faster emergency responses. Why should investors pay attention? Governments are investing heavily in AI crime prevention. More cities are adopting AI-powered surveillance and security systems. AI security is a growing industry. With rising concerns about crime, AI-powered safety solutions could become essential worldwide. Stable revenue from government contracts. Cities and law enforcement agencies are locked into long-term agreements with SOUN Thinking. Imagine a future where AI can predict and prevent crimes before they happen. Sounds like something out of a movie, right? But with AI security advancements, we might not be too far from this reality. Final thoughts: will you take action or wait? AI stocks are set to dominate 2025 and beyond. The only question is, will you invest now or regret it later? If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like it. It really helps support the channel and keeps us bringing you high-quality investing insights. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these AI stocks do you think has the highest potential? Or do you have a hidden gem on your radar? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more investing content, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. I'll see you in the next video.